Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole, and this is The Simplistic Home, and this channel is all about simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are going to be doing another thrift with me. So if you are new here to my channel, I absolutely love thrifting. I share a lot of affordable decorating here on my channel, and a lot of it revolves thrifted pieces. So I do thrift a lot of my home decor. I would say, gosh, probably close to 70% of my home decor and some furniture is thrifted as well. So if you have not seen any of my like decorating videos, as far as I have done some spring decorate with me's in the dining room, living room, and kitchen, and then my last video was actually a spring home tour where I take you through and just show you some of my staple pieces for spring 2022. So be sure to check those out. I will have a playlist linked down below that is titled Spring 2022, and I also have some other playlists as well that are for the home, which are videos that I have shared in the past. I've been on YouTube for a little over 2 years now, but haven't been posting consistently until this year. So a lot of new content this year, but I do have a lot of older videos too if you're interested in checking those out as well. But like I said, here on my channel, I just share a lot of simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. That is what The Simplistic Home is all about. And I also have an Instagram account as well, so be sure to check me out over there. I am on there every single day, basically, and yeah, just a lot more day in the lifestyle things. I do some cooking on stories and just different things like that. But today, like I said, we are going to go thrifting. I am getting ready to go into one of my favorite thrift stores, and you will notice, so if you are new to my channel here, I do work at this local thrift store. So I come here once a week. I share with you guys my favorite picks for the week that they have here, and then at the end I do style a little section. So because it was going so well, and people in my area were coming in here, you know, looking for the items that I was sharing over on social media, they gave me a designated section that is The Simplistic Home. So I had someone ask me, a couple people actually, in my last video, like, what is this little section you're styling? Are you not buying these items? I do buy some of them if I, you know, choose to do so, but the rest of them I do just style the Simplistic Home section here in this store. So that's what that is all about if you are curious. And then I will also probably be going to the Goodwill and maybe another thrift store today as well. I try to get a few places whenever I film these thrift with me, that way you guys have a variety of items to see. And also you guys aren't seeing the exact same things over on Instagram, because on Instagram I do share the items from this local thrift store, and I save Goodwill and Salvation Army and all of that for my videos as well. So just a little bit of everything. But anyway, I just wanted to mention all of that and just kind of clear the air, because I know there was some questions the last time I filmed a thrift with me here on YouTube. So anyway, but without further ado, let's go ahead inside and see what we can find. Now been to 2 different locations. Renew was number 1. That was the place that had all of the really large baskets. That square structured one that had the greenery that I used for display on my little section there, that was so cute. I really should have picked that up, but I left it there. So anyway, but that, and then what else did they have there? They had that really large basket that was really pretty. The blue pillow was pretty. Lots of good things there, but there wasn't just anything that I just had to have. So I did leave it all there. But I did end up picking up a pair of shoes. They're like a khaki color that are really pretty, and they're kind of like a wedge. And then also like a kimono kind of jacket style. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's really cute too. So anyway, I did get those. And then I went to the Goodwill. That was the last place I went to. They had super cute shoes in there, but they were too small. It was so sad. And I also ended up finding a few universal thread tops there because I love universal thread from Target. So I always keep an eye out whenever I go thrifting, but the shirts were not my size. They were way too big for me. So those had to stay there, but then they did have that really pretty large lumbar pillow, and I love that. I totally would have gotten that, but it had stains all over it, and I could tell that it would have been kind of a pain to try to get those out. So I ended up leaving that there, which was a bummer. But we are now at my local like antique store. I filmed in here, I don't know, it was probably a couple Thrift with me's ago, a couple weeks ago. So we'll see what they have in here today. They usually have pretty good things in here, so we're gonna see, but this will be the last stop. So let's go ahead inside and see what we can find. Okay, so I just made it out of there. There were a few things that I did buy that I actually did not show because my hands were full and I wasn't able to film it, but I wanted to show you. So there was a booth in there. Actually, it was one like person who had all of the booths, but I think there was like 4 or 5 total that had everything in there 50% off. And she has a lot of brand new items. So they said that she like goes and I guess just buys pallets of stuff that's like going out of style. I don't know. Either way, all of this stuff was brand new, and I love the Hearth and Hand brand from Target, but I don't always want to pay the prices. So of course I like to thrift it or just get it on clearance or however I can get it any cheaper. But anyway, needless to say, she had a lot of Hearth and Hand stuff in there, and I found 2 of these pillow shams. They're actually king size pillow shams, which eventually we would love to get a king size bed, but we can also just make her queen size look a little fuller. So anyway, they're brand new. I got 2 of them. They're like a khaki color or like a taupe color, I guess. Very pretty for $5 a piece, which is crazy. And then I also got a white, like all white queen size fitted sheet for, or not fitted sheet, wait, maybe it was a fitted sheet. I can't remember. Either way, it was $5 as well. And then I've had my eye on these pillows. They are also Hearth and Hand, if you guys can tell. Anyway, but they are indoor outdoor pillows, and there's a set of 2 of them, and they were half off, so they were $10 for the set of 2, which is great. So we're going to be doing a patio refresh at some point if it ever just like gets permanently warm here. We have had days where it is like 75 degrees and then the next day it's like 45 degrees. So I live in the Midwest, and the weather this spring is like everywhere. So anyway, eventually we're going to be doing a patio refresh, and I'm going to be putting those on our patio furniture, which is perfect. So anyway, that is all that I have for today. I'm super pumped about those finds just now. But yeah, if you guys enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, if you enjoy all things thrifting inspired decor, I do also some thrifted like clothing too. So if you wanted to see a spring thrifted wardrobe, I can definitely do that. I have pretty much most of my spring clothing is thrifted, so if you're interested in that, I can do that as well. But yeah, lots of things coming up on my channel. I am really enjoying sharing these thrift with me videos once a week though. So anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. We do a lot of fun things over here, and like I said, it's all things just affordable living and decorating and all things along those lines. So anyway, thank you guys so much again, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.